Welcome to Veles. In this intro, we will introduce you to the platform's features. We will explain how to connect the exchange, where to find ready-made bots, and how to manage them properly. The first thing you will see after registering and entering your account is a showcase of ready-made bots. Here you can launch your first bot. If you are a beginner, try the $1 bot but do not change the settings. This bot has increased risk and is designed to study market mechanics. Ready-made bots are also featured in the collection of ready-made strategies, which can be found in our blog. You can monitor statistics in the trade section, where you will also find active trades. Don't forget about the challenges. For completing them, you will receive funds in your internal account to pay fees. You can top up Veles in the account management section. The maximum fee is 50 USDT for trading on spot and 50 USDT for trading on futures. In the Veles personal account, there is a scale that shows how much you have paid in fees this month. Once the scale is completely filled up, the collection process will be paused and it will only resume in the next month. In the API key section, you can connect the exchange where you plan to trade. Binance, Bybit, and OKEx can be connected with one click. On the Veles platform, you can earn not only by trading with bots, but also from invited friends. We will pay you up to approximately $30 for each friend who trades on Veles. You can create a referral link in the referrals section of the platform. If you have a small deposit and want to enter trades more frequently, enable bot blocking in your account's personal cabinet in order to trade more often. For example, you can typically set a limit of approximately 1 or 2 bots per trade, but run 20 or even 40 robots. When the first bot initially finds an entry point and starts trading, a restriction will be automatically triggered and new trades will not open immediately until the first bot closes its position. The platform also has a marketplace where you can subscribe to various and useful indicators that provide signals for trade entry.